Right now, this particular platform recently launched and it was introduced to me by one of my subscriber. He actually said he tried it out and is yet to get a withdrawal, but the method right here while earning is quite different and very easy. So right here, you need to set up an account for yourself. So once you set up an account for yourself, you're going to be given 1.25 USDT. That is $1.25. Remember, I have not withdrawn from this platform and we are actually testing this platform together. Right here you can see earn from emails. Now you sell emails to this particular platform and I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. You can unlock several packages right on this platform with different methods. Now before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so this video can reach out to more people to see. Alright, so right now I'm going to be taking you all the way from the registration process. Okay, so what you just need to do right now, once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. All you just have to do is to put in a full name right here, put in an email address, then put in a mobile number and put in your password. Confirm your password. Make sure your password is a password you can always remember. Then once that is done, you hit on register. But since I have an account already on this platform, I'm going to click on sign in here and I'm going to input my details right here and I'm going to log in. Now like I said, once you create an account for yourself, you are going to be given $1.25. now you can go ahead to click on withdraw now, but let me show you how you can earn. Right here you can see earn from emails. You just have to put in emails right here and you're going to be earning for yourself. For one email you sell right on this platform, you're going to be given 0.50 dollars. Okay, that is half a dollar. So once you click on start earning right here, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says your upload progress. So you can upload up to 10 right here. You can see that today's earning is 00 and you can see the potential earnings also is $5.0. so right here all you just need to do is to put in the email address you have created and the password, then upload, and you're going to be given 1.5 points. Okay, so right here I have made a video on this particular channel on how you can create an email address without a mobile number, creating multiple email address without stress. So if you can't actually find that video, you can reach out to me and I'm going to be sending you the link so you can watch that and know how to create multiple emails in less than some seconds. Now there are also other ways you can use to earn right on this platform. You can see right here you can earn from referrals. So one invite friends you bring to this platform, you are going to be getting $1.5. now how do you do that? Come right to invite friends and you are going to be seeing your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link and once your referrals sign up using your referral link, you are going to be getting $1.5 on your account. So that is how it actually works. Now this is another way you can maximize this platform. You can see future locked right here. Earn $10 to unlock this box and start earning from ads. Now you can earn from ads right on this platform, but the criteria is that you need to earn up to $10 to unlock this box. So you keep on earning, doing your tasks, referring friends, and also selling your emails right here. You can see another way you can use to maximize your earning. Reach level 2 to unlock this particular package. You have referred 0 people right here. So once you refer and you earn and you get up to the threshold of level 2, you can unlock this package. So you can see your team will be shown right here once you keep inviting friends. Now when you come right here, you are going to be seeing the reward status. Refer 5 friends today and you get this amount of money for just particular one person. You can see in progress. So you can see sales of email, you can see review of product, and click 10 ads a day. So these are the ways you can earn on this platform. You can see that we have almost 4 ways you can earn right on this platform. The first one is to refer. The second one is to sell an email, which I've mentioned that you can get that on my channel, how to create multiple emails in less than some seconds. Now you can also review products, make your reviews on products, and you also earn for yourself. Now you click on ads also and you also earn for yourself. So these are the 4 ways you can earn on this platform. Remember I said that this is actually a review of this platform. I have not tested this platform before. I have not used this platform before. It was introduced to me by a friend, a subscriber of this channel, so you can give it a try. Since it's a total free update, you can go ahead to try it, and if it works for you, you can come back to this channel and let us know. And if it does not work, we have nothing to lose. Now, I didn't mention about the withdrawal method. When you come down to withdraw right here, click on withdraw now, and it's going to take you over to this page. So you can see that the minimum withdrawal required, your current balance is 1.25. Now the minimum withdrawal amount is $30 right here, and you complete small tax to increase your earnings. So that is how this particular platform works when it comes to the withdrawal method. So the withdrawal method, you need to get up to $30 on your account to be able to withdraw. So let's give this a try and see how it works for all of us. So that is how this platform works. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. Set up an account for yourself and start leveraging this platform. The name of this platform is pabity.com. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. Set up an account, use my referral link so we can see how it works for you. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got the value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel. Now it's advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I show you some specific ways you can use to leverage online platforms like this, and you can also get insights on some particular platforms like this, which you can get to see the withdrawal proof after it has been withdrawn.